Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oludayo. Feel free to call me Deep Posh. I want to discuss ingredients that can be used to make scar remover scrub. You need 1 teaspoon of ground sea salt. This will help to exfoliate the surface of the scar. 1 teaspoon of corn flour. 2 to 3 drops of bitter salt. It will help to lighten the surface. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of rose water. 1 teaspoon of lactic acid. This will help to peel off the rough parts of the skin. How to mix? Get a well sterilized clean bowl. Add all the ingredients and mix thoroughly. Make sure you scrub the surface of the scar every day, and after 3 to 5 days of using the scrub, you will notice a big change. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that this channel can grow. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please guys, don't forget to come back and give me feedback after trying out this amazing recipe. Also share, comment down below and like this video. I love you.